Otaku Plus. Do you ever feel like mainstream entertainment just does not understand your passion for anime, manga, and Japanese pop culture? Or maybe you have noticed how hard it is to find authentic, high-quality collectibles and updates in one place? That frustration is exactly what fuels the otaku community in 2025. While Otaku Plus is not a single famous platform, the term captures something powerful: a global network of dedicated fans who live and breathe anime, manga, and gaming culture. Today, the otaku world thrives with exciting developments. Subscription services like the Otaku Box bring monthly deliveries of curated anime-themed merchandise, figures, t-shirts, and exclusive collectibles chosen by fan votes. Meanwhile, YouTube channels and websites report on the newest manga volumes, Blu-ray releases, and game launches that fans eagerly await. Major conventions and expos have become the ultimate gathering spots. Events like Anime Expo showcase premiere screenings of upcoming series, panels with creators, and special game previews. For gamers, trends like the Nintendo Switch 2 and exclusive anime-themed games keep the community buzzing with anticipation. Even traditional print media plays its part. Magazines like Otaku Magazine continue to provide reviews, previews, and insider news, making sure no fan misses out. Popular releases this year, from Naruto Box Set 3 to Blue Giant Collector's Edition, and even remastered classics like Star Wars, Dark Forces, prove the enduring appeal of anime and manga culture. Whether you are hunting for the next collector's item, practicing Japanese through your favorite series, or connecting with like-minded fans at events, the otaku lifestyle offers endless ways to engage. If you are passionate about anime or manga, now is the perfect time to dive deeper into the culture. Support creators, check out subscription boxes, and join events. You might just discover a new favorite series or meet lifelong friends.